Guys, this is just a very quick video to show you how to get to a calculator, a graphing calculator, just like the one we use in class. So if you open up your Google Classroom page and you click on your class, it can be 7th or 8th grade, they're found in the exact same spot. And you open up to our stream here, scroll down to where it says Virtual Classroom. Click on the Virtual Classroom. Now, there's lots of different things that are clickable here. What I want you to pay close attention to is over here in the bookcase, and it's the calculator. Click on that Ti84 Plus. It's going to open up this Welcome TestNav user. All you have to do is click Start, Start again, and then it's going to say to access the graphing calculator, select the calculator button in the toolbar. It's right up here at the top, the Ti84 graphing calculator. And boom, you have a graphing calculator on the screen for you. And it does all the things that your normal graphing calculator will do. And that's all you have to do. And I want you to be able to use this in class, guys.